Snoring Beauty by SUDIPTA BARDHAN-QUALLEN, illustrated by Jane Manning. The night before his wedding day, the skies were dark and dreary, but in his house a little mouse was dreaming of his dearie. Mouse grinned a goofy little grin and settled in for dozing. He needed rest, to look his best, but as his eyes were closing, from deep inside the tower room there came a monstrous roaring. It shook the night, as tucked in tight lay Sleeping Beauty snoring. I know someday a prince will come to break this spell, Mouse grumbled. Till then each quake, keep Mouse awake, as Beauty's snoring rumbled. Mouse rose to close the shutters. Then he peeked outside the tower. His eyes grew wide. "A prince," he cried. "I'll sleep within the hour." "My name is Max," the prince announced, his manner prim and snotty. With shoulders squared, Prince Max declared, "I'm here for Sleeping Beauty." Rushing to unlock the gate, Mouse welcomed Max, elated. From Beauty's room came Snoring's moon, and Mouse hopes deflated. "Who waits in there? A troll? A bear?" asked Max throughout all the clatter. The tower shook from every nook. Small creatures ran and scattered. "Oh no," Mouse cried and quickly lied. "It's just some creaky flooring. Go on ahead," although, Mouse said, she may be softly snoring. But Max was not a bit alarmed. He said, "I'll do my duty." He drew his sword and hurried toward the sleeping Princess Beauty. As Max knelt next to Beauty's bed, her lashes gently fluttered. Prince Max leaned in, Mouse hid a grin, and then, "Honk, shrew," she spluttered. Prince Max blew back, surprised and shocked. "Egad, how loud!" he bellowed. "Oh, rats!" Mouse wept. "Though Beauty slept, the GURPS had me mellowed." Mouse said, "Let's work together now to stop these royal sputters. I propose we hold her nose." "Oh, I suppose," Max muttered. Mouse waited for a snoring pause, then pinched her nostrils tight. Max puckered up, but then kershoop, she snorted impolite. They grabbed 2 pitchers from a shelf as Beauty lay crenching. Mouse yelled, "Heave-ho!" from high and low. They gave her face a drenching. Mouse held his breath, Max bit his lips. Could this be it, they wondered? The room grew still, no sound until scraff-a-raff, she thuttered. "Let's try another plan," said Mouse, "to solve this snoring pickle." Max nodded yes. Mouse said, "I guess we could give her a tickle." They pulled the sheets from Beauty's feet, and soon they heard her tittle. Then, when our goom boomed through the room, both Mouse and Max grew bitter. Mouse wrung his hands and stared at Max. "That's it, I'm done," Max shouted. To Mouse's pleas of "Kiss her, please," Prince Max just frowned and pouted. "I like the crown, I like the throne, I really like the castle." Max shook his head. He shrugged and said, "The snoring's too much hassle." As Max walked off, Mouse heard "Keroosh." He placed before the mirror. One kiss would do, but how? From who? At once it all got clearer. Mouse knew what he would have to do. I hope I won't get cooties. Though roaring snores, Mouse crossed to the floor and pressed his lips to Beauty. Mouse pulled away and spit. Pooh! The day for slight was dawning. He heard a high yet sleepy sigh, and Beauty started yawning. She rubbed her tired, drowsy eyes, a sight Mouse found quite splendid. He ran outside to Max and cried, the snoring finally ended. Max followed Mouse into the room. Go kiss her now, Mouse prodded. Max bent a knee, said, marry me, and Beauty beamed and nodded. With just a bit of time to sleep, Mouse slumped against his bedding. He woke at 8 to celebrate his stylish double wedding. Mouse kissed his bride and Max kissed his. They stood together grinning. Mouse raised his cup and offered up a toast to new beginnings. But when he tried to sleep that night, Mouse woke to monstrous roaring. He clutched his ears and fought back tears, while Miss Mouse lay snoring. The end.